Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I have this beautiful international watch and co Schaffhausen pocket watch to show you. It's caliber 55, made in 1980, and it was sold on English market maybe in 1990 or something. The watch was imported in Great Britain by Stauffer & Co. It's the same company from La Chaux-de-Fonds. And back then they sold a lot of pocket watches from their own factory, but the demands were high, and thus they needed to import watches from IWC, Fontainebleau or Eterna. This one is a very nice example of international watch and co from that period of time. It's in very good shape, the watch. Has minor signs of wear. The bow is still in good shape. The dial is mint. Also the blued hands. The dial is made from porcelain. Has Arabic numerals. Subsidiary dial. It's a pin set, as you can see. So now let's saw the markings. See GN from Georges Nicolet, the director of Stauffer, and some silver markings. The case maybe was made by Stauffer themselves in La Chaux-de-Fonds, not by IWC. Here it says Reginald Walker, maybe the first owner of this pocket watch. Inside the dust cover there are the same markings, and this is the movement, a very nice one, and very good shape, as you can see. It has rubies in chateau, no fine regulation. The watch is ticking very strongly. You can see this is a marking of Stauffer and Co. I think you see it. Okay. No movement, as I said. It's a caliber 57, made in 1918. The case is from an year later, and probably was made by Stauffer in their factory. The movement is not stamped by IWC, but by Stauffer. But there is near the balance cock it's a serial number, and this will help you to date the year of manufacturing of this particular pocket watch. The light is not helping me very well, but I'm trying to do my best. It's a very nice pocket watch and it works very nice. Keeps an accurate time. And it's old, very old pocket watch. So guys, this is the movement of the watch. I hope you like it. Has some minor scratches. It spins very nice. Okay. This is the pocket watch that I wanted to show you today. I hope you like it. It's a true beautiful pocket watch. It has a normal size for a pocket watch of that era, 50 millimeters diameter without the crown. Hope you can see the dial. Has no hairlines or crackings, dents or something. Very nice hands, beautiful made. So guys, hope you enjoy it. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe, it's free. What can I say more? Thank you for watching. If you want to comment, please do it in the comment section below. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day. God bless you all. Thank you.